Have you ever wondered how the front end and back end of a website talk to each other and show you the data you asked for? That connection happens because of something called an API, which stands for Application Programming Interface. You can think of an API like a middleman between the front end and the back end. For example, when you search for laptops on Amazon, the front end sends the word laptops to the back end using an API. The back end then looks into the database, collects all the laptop details, and sends them back to the front end within seconds so you can see the results. In the same way, whenever you click a button or submit a form on a website, the front end sends a request to the back end through an API, usually in a simple data format called JSON. The back end processes this request, talks to the database, and sends the response back to the front end. But wait, here is an important thing beginners should know. Databases do not store data in JSON format. They store data in tables. To handle this difference, we use something called an ORM, which stands for Object Relational Mapping. An ORM converts JSON data into a table format in which database understands and converts database data back into JSON for the front end. This is how the front end and back end work smoothly together. Comment ORM if you want a separate short video explaining it in detail.